Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to select multiple elements on Canva. Alright, let's begin with the video. So for example, if you have a Canva design with multiple elements and you want to move all of them, but to do so, you would have to move them one by one or resize them. But resizing them will make other elements look unproportional, so selecting multiple items at once will eliminate this problem. So the way to do it is just press and hold on the element that you want to select, and then just press select multiple. Now just go ahead and select the other elements, and you can resize them and move them all at once. So that's what I'm doing right now to this text. And you can also do it with other elements such as graphics. Just press and hold and then select multiple, and then select the other elements that you would want to move or resize. And you can combine text box with graphics or images, and it will automatically move and resize whenever you press select multiple. And so there you go. That is how you select multiple elements on Canva. So that's basically how you can select multiple elements on Canva. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.